it's Sandy, and in today's nail art tutorial, Miri and I will be showing you how to create some colorful and fun splatter nails. This nail design is super easy to do on both of your hands, and all you'll need is nail polishes and straws. Before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. To begin, start off with a base coat to protect your natural nails. Applying a good base coat is vital to a long-lasting manicure, and it will also help prevent your nails from staining. For the base color, apply 2 coats of a white nail polish. For perfect application, go for 1 stroke down the middle and then 1 on each side. Then quickly spread out any excess polish. For the next step, you will need some drinking straws and some bright colored nail polish. To start the splattering, begin by covering around your nail with either liquid latex or clear tape. This will help the cleanup process later. Make sure to apply it a little higher up your finger than usual, as splattering can get messy. If using the latex, give it a couple of minutes to dry and then place some paper towel or newspaper beneath your hands so you don't get nail polish on your table. Pick your first nail polish color and add a big blob onto a palette, tinfoil, or the back of a nail swatch wheel as shown here. Then use the straw to scoop up some of the nail polish. Remember, you want to scoop up the nail polish, not just dip the straw in vertically. Then blow hard into the straw to splatter the nail polish over your nails. To reuse the straw for the next color, just take some scissors and cut off the tip so it's brand new again. Move on to the next color and do the same steps. Remember, less is more, so don't overdo it with the splatters. You still want your base color, which is the white, to be shown. This design would look really cool with neon polishes too, so if you guys want to try that out, then go ahead because it's perfect for the summer. If you're unsure of what colors to use to create an awesome color palette, you can always check out an automated color generator website. That seems so hard to say for some reason, because it will show you color combinations that look really good together. I'll link that in the description box for you guys. Once the splattering is complete, you can peel off the liquid or clear tape from around your fingers. Clean up any excess polish on your fingers with a cotton swab and polish remover. And finally, use a paintbrush dipped in acetone to perfect those cuticles. A thorough cleanup is very important for this design because it's a messy look, but you still want it to look neat and tidy. Finish off with a matte top coat, as this will really make the splatters stand out and give a more cartoony look. If you'd like to check out more nail art tutorials here on CutePolish, click the info card on the top right corner. Also, don't forget to go subscribe to Miri's personal channel for even more awesome nail tutorials. The link is in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching, take care, and I'll see you next time!